Day, welcome to Kingwilliam's Earthing. We have us a Google Home Mini. I got this at Goodwill, and sometimes you see these at Goodwill or a thrift store, maybe at a garage sale. People just get rid of them because they bought them or they got them and they never used them. And so this is a used one, so it has already connected to somebody's Wi-Fi. I did power it on. I connected with my app. It went through all the steps. It beeped and all that fun stuff. Connecting the Wi-Fi would fail, would just disconnect continually. I spent like 2 hours trying to get this thing to connect, and what I did a factory reset. 5 seconds, I was in. So basically, you want to do a factory reset, flip her over, and you'll see where's he at? Right here, there's a little itty bitty indent, like a little button indent. What you do is you hold that down. I'm going to do it upside down so you can see the lights. And see he turned orange.
You're about to completely reset Google Home.
So it's going to reset.
Cancel. Release the button.
It says release the button if you want to cancel. I don't. And then you let her go. And that's it. And then you have to go through the setup again. So get your app out, your phone and your app. And that way you can just do a full reset, reconnect your Wi-Fi, and away it goes. So I was really impressed how easy it was, other than it just absolutely would not connect initially. And when I did look on my phone, it did say it was called a living room speaker or something like that. So somebody had it connect. Even though you go through the setup and everything, it just would not connect. So I did a factory reset, and away we go. So I hope it helps you guys out. And I want you, that's you. Have a great day.